This short video will show you how to use the live video on our website to give you a taste of how DrawingSearcher works. These are the steps that I will be going through. Here goes. On the Docupoint.com website, select Live Demo from the navigation bar. And another window will open up that's running the DrawingSearcher software. If you type in wall, W-A-L-L, and hit the search button, DrawingSearcher will find all the documents with the word W-A-L-L. In this case, 114 matching documents were found. If you type in 65 and hit search, DrawingSearcher finds 13 matching documents. And if you type in 657, you can guess that even fewer documents will be found. And in fact, only 3 documents have the number 657 in them. Now you can select one of the 3 documents, in this case, to look inside of it. And the document will fully open. And I'm going to zoom in to 600%. And then using my laptop's find command, I type in 657. I'm on an Apple MacBook Pro, so I use Command F, but if you're on a Microsoft Windows computer, you would of course use Control F. In this document, 657 is only found once. But if there were more instances of 657, you'd be able to skip to the next occurrence, next, using the down arrow command, and the drawing would move to the next location of 657 within the drawing. So now I'm going to go back and select this PDF document to see where 657 is located within this document. And I can see that the full document has 78 pages. So I use the find shortcut again to find 657, and it jumps to page 49 and highlights in blue the location of 657 in this table. This document also only found one instance of 657, but you can see the value of DrawingSearcher being able to search all documents within your entire organization, not just CAD drawings. I want to show you one more thing about DrawingSearcher, so I'm going to go back and open up the advanced option of DrawingSearcher. And I will highlight a couple ways to narrow down your search results with DrawingSearcher. Just like Google, you often get too many results in your search just to find one document. So selecting any field, you can also search 657 in this case amongst documents created by a specific author or a date or file name or other information that you may know. And you would type the author's name in the adjacent space. Note there are 3 matching documents in this case until you select a specific document type, assuming you know what type of document you're actually looking for. And when I narrow down my search to just PDF files, DrawingSearcher only finds 2 matching documents. You may want to pause this video and use this written list as your guide. And the last point to stress is that Docupoint's DrawingSearcher works better on documents within your own organization because users know what they're looking for and can thus fine-tune their results. Now, follow this link to use our live demo on your own. It's fun. And thank you for watching and learning how to use DrawingSearcher.